Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes delicious. Mix 2 cups flour with baking powder, sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon salt in a bowl. In another bowl, whisk eggs, milk, and melted butter until smooth. Fold wet into dry just until combined. Small lumps are okay. Let batter rest briefly while heating the pan to achieve tender, airy pancakes with a golden crust and great flavor. Warm your skillet gradually and test with a drop of batter to check temperature. Use a 1/4 cup scoop or a 3/5-inch ring to pour consistent pancakes that cook evenly. Watch for bubbles across the surface and slightly set edges before flipping once, not repeatedly. Cook until both sides are golden brown and adjust heat if they brown too quickly. This technique yields tender centers and crisp edges every time. If you are enjoying these pancake tips, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for saving recipes and flipping through cookbooks at the counter, plus it reads comfortably in bright kitchens. It's lightweight, portable, and keeps your favorite guides handy while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Enhance your pancakes with simple flavor boosts that keep them approachable and delicious. Stir in a teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of cinnamon for warmth and depth. Gently fold in blueberries or chocolate chips so they spread evenly without deflating the batter. Serve with fresh fruit, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of yogurt to add brightness and balance. Small touches make breakfast feel special and satisfying for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.